what's going on, guys. It's Big Fix here, and I have this Suzuki xl7 2008, and I want to show you how to change the headlights. You see there's a lot of videos out there that shows that you got to take off the bumper to change the headlights, and that's not really true. As you see here in the grill, you can snap off these clips here. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 clips, plus a screw here and a screw here that I'm going to take off. And once you do that, once you take off those clips, this, you can push the grill up forward. And you can just move it forward a little bit without damaging the bumper. But as you see here, there's a screw in there that you need to take out, and a screw here. It's a total of 3 screws for each headlight. So it's 1, 2, and 3. And for this one here, you're gonna have to use one of these adapters. You know, I have this one. It's pretty long, and it goes all the way in there. And all you have to do is pop the headlight out. There you go. And you can change the headlight right there, or you can change the signal light. It's all in there without removing the whole bumper. You can change the headlights. You can really, easy access right there without removing the whole bumper. Okay? Alright, take care, guys.